Is this working now? I really hope it is. I reset my internet. I had to reset my internet because it's being stupid all the time. I genuinely don't know what's going on. It just dips sometimes. Well, anyways.
Arknights.
I'll try to do it again, at least. Well,
Inman, Supervisor Perlica, what happened at the Valley Fort? We just heard something.
The chief of the Bone Crushers was at the Valley Fort. She blew up the bridge before she left. We were right behind her, but it was too late.
That road is our shortest way to support the power plateau. Air support would be difficult, as our flying vehicles would be affected by the anchors. These people have made their goals quite clear.
fortunately, Wolfguard is after them as we speak.
I hope you can stay safe and keep us updated on the Landbreakers' movements. Director Chin, is there any other way to reach the power plateau?
We can reach the power plateau by going through the Originium Science Park, but that is the longer route, and... the anchor fall triggered a huge landslide. Cleaning it up will be difficult. Andre, report. What's the situation in the field?
It's bad. The road is completely blocked by a significant buildup of rocks and rubble. Our surveyors just sent us the details. Take a look.
This was the road we took to reach the hub base. We barely escaped the landslide.
We need large vehicles and lots of power to clear all this rubble away. But most machines on base have been destroyed.
Man, we're getting hit from all sides.
Stay positive, Chen. I say we assemble a landslide clearing team, stat. But first, the crew needs better protective equipment. We'll also require clearing machinery. Perhaps we can repair a UWST construction vehicle for the task.
Mr. Andre, I believe the AIC factory can play a role in this endeavor.
Very true. It's time to validate the design objectives of our factory. Let's meet up at the core AIC area.
Supervisor Perlica, we are currently occupied with the hub base recovery. Organizing the landslide clearing team may take a while.
Traces at the scene match the patterns. But how did Neferith...
Supervisor Perlica?
Oh, apologies. I was a little distracted. Please make haste with the preparations. The true objectives of our opponents must be identified quickly.
I understand. These Landbreakers are far beyond ordinary bandits.
Director Chin, have we ever detected any individual in Valley 4 who is capable of manipulating the ether directly?
What? No, such abilities are not possible. The ether is simply too dangerous. Our attempts to study the ether are severely hampered by its lethality. No human individual can make direct contact with the ether safely. After all, the ether is the side opposing the origins of life, right?
the side opposing the origins of life.
Yes, but we're all familiar with the textbook footnote on this quote. The Terrans did not have a full understanding of the secrets held by this planet.
That's true. In any case, there are plenty of matters on our hands that we must deal with.
Okay, is there anything we can do to help?
Yeah. Please help Andre at the core AIC area. We'll be preparing our supplies at that place.
Crisis unlocked. The index tab has been selected. After defeating powerful enemies, they can be re-challenged again. Click here and select Crisis. At the Crisis, defeat enemy bosses can be challenged again. Crisis features different depth levels. Clear the different depth level to unlock more challenging depth levels. Crisis. Thank you. There's something. What is it gonna need? Cartridge. Where is it? Oh yeah, this, isn't it? Current chapter 1. Have I not completed? Oh wait. Alright, I probably need to grind some supplies for that, don't I? Well, either way, I suppose I can do that later. I don't want to bore anyone with the grinding.
AIC area.
Hey.
According to our grand development strategy, this AIC sector is still in its infancy. Usually production lines can't be built overnight, but technological advancements we made in Valley 4 can now speed things up. Well, things can be faster at this place at least. The other sites might not have our more conducive environment.
We'll also need plenty of electricity and power to manufacture large machinery and equipment.
The landslide clearing crew will be assigned a multi-purpose drill. This big boy will need plenty of originium ore as fuel. We must boost our mineral mining efficiency. To do that, we should first research the right tech upgrades in our AIC factory plan.
The AIC factory plan gives a detailed display of AIC technology and development. The tree goes from top to bottom, with every node representing an AIC technology. No, I'm not cute. No. No. The AIC factory plan is divided into 3 phases. Progress through the main mission and require expansion cores to unlock the next phase. The AIC factory plan is also divided into different AIC technology series based on their functions. We have currently researched some basic AIC technologies of the AIC factory plan. Check what the AIC factory needs to choose the AIC technology to research next. Let's take a look at our next goals. Researching the mining 2 AIC technology can let us construct electrical mining rigs. The electrical mining rig can mine higher tier materials. In the wilderness, the rig can be used to belt-free transfer to move the mine materials to its cache to the teapot directly. Researching the AIC technology mining 2 needs basic AIC index. Activate protocol data loggers to get more indices. Clear to close.
That little buddy over there is the protocol data logger. It helps with technical verification. It collects ambient data and provides our AIC factory with solutions tailored to local conditions. Relevant data can then be quantified and processed into our AIC index. Give it a shot, Edmund.
Of all the designs you could have used, you used one of those floppy mascot things? Fascinating.
Greetings, Administrator. Let me introduce myself. I am Technician Pocus from the Endfield Engineering Division. I'm also a technical ops for the AIC. As you can see, I've deployed plenty of protocol data loggers in this area. Once enough data has been gathered, they'll behave like this. It's a special signal to retrieve the data. This particular data logger is ready for interaction and retrieval. Go ahead and try it out. In more complex environments, a single data logger might generate multiple AIC index points at once.
Any protocol data logs can be scattered across Telos to approach the target to acquire AIC index. The elections of protocol data logs are already marked on the map. Use map markers to find these protocol data loggers. Well, I suppose these make a good indicator where they are at least.
Alright, Edmund. Let's start with our electric mining rig tech upgrade.
So just... Okay, it just blew up apparently.
New industrial technology is now available.
Guide. Clear to start the simulation. Enter the simulation, complete its goals, provides a better understanding of using the electrical mining rig. Click the Start Sim button to begin the simulation. Try it out. Some assistance would be helpful, especially with transporting those. It seems amazing actually, since I don't have to collect them myself. New electrical mining rigs have been delivered to the mining area and to mine amethyst ore. When powered, the electrical mining rig can start mining and deliver materials to the teapot via belt-free transfer. Place the electrical pylon near the electrical mining rig to connect the electrical pylon to a relay tower to power the mining area. Welcome to simulation. These are VR spaces are scattered around Talos 2 and teach the basics of the AIC factory. Simulations have their own setup, backpack and teapot items, as well as facilities not shared with those in the real world. However, the lessons and tricks I learned in simulations are also useful outside. This shows the goals of the current simulation. To finish the main goals to complete the simulation and collect rewards. Press escape for more details. In this simulation, we must use AIC facilities to mine mineral ores. Electric mining rig can be used for mining REM and amethyst ore. Once powered, electrical mining rigs automatically transfer mined materials to teapot via belt-free transfer. First, interact with the mining rig to view its functions. Electrical mining rig will automatically mine ores and store them in its cache. When powered, ores in the cache will be automatically moved to the teapot via belt-free transfer on a regular interval. adding ore production to the PAC. Use electrical pylons to power electrical mining rigs to make them mine more ore. Close the button. This mining set have several amethyst ore mining spots. The next step is to place electrical mining rigs on each mining spot. Electrical pylons placed outside the core AIC area cannot supply power to other facilities immediately. Go to relay power and start electrical transmission. To start pulling a power transmission cable, then go to the electrical pylon. Select the plug transmission cable to complete the power transmission and connect the power grid. They do get transferred over to the mining facility now, right? Not yet then, I suppose. This is what I want me to do. So amethyst ore mined by our electrical mining rigs, and we moved to the local PAC depot via Belfry transfer. Let's take a look. The pipeline is connected to the depot in the core AIC area. Press B or hold. Ores mined by electrical mining rig will automatically transfer to the PAC depot via Belfry transfer. Here we can see the amethyst ore we have mined moved to the depot. The ore can now be processed. Click to use the button. Amethyst ore can be processed into a refining unit and produce amethyst fiber. Check the area. Required facility has already been placed. Let's go to PAC output port and set up so moves amethyst ore from the depot to the refining unit for processing. So, look at the output ports. Continue unloading amethyst ore from the depot. Click the close button to exit this panel. The refining unit cannot auto-process amethyst ore mined by electrical mining rigs into amethyst fiber. Electrical mining rigs can also be used for mining Arknight ore. Use this method automatically mine and process more materials. Honestly, this seems really great. That just means I don't have to manually collect them and place them into the building anymore. I like it. Gathering gears. The gearing unit can always assemble units to make products at amethyst. Molding.
Entering core AIC area.
feel like I don't really need those anymore. I can say I can just put those. I do need to place one of these down, don't I?
Entering core AIC area.
Critical mining rigs can use out belt-free transfer. No manual work is required. Once placed in Ascent belt-free transfer mode by default, these rigs can be switched to storage mode. After switching to storage mode, it will behave like a rig no more and simply store the mine on the cache instead of delivering to the depot. The ore must then be manually gathered from the cache. However, it's best to stick with belt-free transfer mode to take advantage of automation. More automation means more gears and stuff like that, at least. To research this at least.
Industrial technology is
Research complete. Gearing you. The gearing you can process materials with the gear tag to produce materials for gear assembly. Difficult part of this component made by placing oregano crust and amethyst fiber in the gearing unit. Gear components are essential for gear assembly. Different components are needed to assemble gear of different quality. How many spots are there here? Okay, about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 of them. Oh, right. Press. Yeah. There. And one over here. I would like to replace at least these two since now I don't technically can just automate those two. Them away. Repair this. Put these in. Yeah, that should do it. Just need to figure out how to efficiently put all those together. But training. Pion. Power bus, switch to our lead. This level. Will this be far enough? I suppose it's more like, will this be short enough for this to reach, or do I need to place another one? I suppose it took a much longer than necessary path than needed to be. Sorry if this is taking a while. I really want to sort all this automation up so that I don't have to worry about it later, at least.
Entering core AIC area.
I'd like to place... Oh, wait, I didn't mean to... I want to craft more, I mean. Up there. Yeah, let's repair it first. This is the closest thing. I'll track it. I'll just put these away first. Then
This ain't normal.
Bring it on! Short of fighting me! I'm with you!
Will hurt me!
They're not big enough for that. Dang it. Well, at least I can. all of them should now be simply powering and working. For now, I don't think I really need anything else, but what else?
Entering core AIC area.
Let's see. 20 time. And for now, I suppose this is the only recipe I can really create for now. So. Let's see. Item control. Control about plus unit that controls the type and quantity of items passed through the belt. Let me check. Which is refining. Let's recipes. I need heal. Use you for anything. I can use you for bug flower and draining power, but still. Time to make more! Yay! Power this, don't I? should do, probably power this up as well. Now it's working. Confused what? Please start Requiem ore. Oh, Requiem ore, not amethyst ore. I was reading that wrong.
Entering core AIC area.
Andre, I'm coming.
Endman, do we have the required originium ore and amethyst ore?
Take these meteor ores.
Nicely done! Our energy problem is now history. The landslide clearing team has been assembled. Once the preparations are complete, the team can begin their work.
Good job. Is there anything else we're short on?
A lot. Gear, tools, overhaul kits. But we should be able to take care of them. Vanikov is responsible for directing the work on the site. You can talk to him to learn more about the situation.
I'll be right back though, right, Andre? I need to work on getting the, was it originium ore over to. I'm pretty sure there's a more originium ore over there. What's that sound, darling? That seems pretty powerful, actually. We don't. I wish I could get more characters like them.
Something ain't right.
High threat hostile detected. Stay alert.
Watch your step, people!
Roger. Engaging the enemy.
Believe it, Endman. Victory will be ours next time as well.
We made another step forward, Enfielders.
A well-deserved victory.
No hardship will stop us.
A well-deserved victory.
Truth be told, this wasn't a hard-won battle.
Hey! Romeo and love, please be safe. Is there something I can help you with? I'm Rosa. Please help me. My poor love is trapped in breaker territory. people still trapped in that place? He's definitely there. Look, these signals pinpoint his location. Signals? What kind of sort of signals? He's constantly sending these location signals to me. I've been tracking. I've been looking for him for days. I'll go take a look. Here, I'm working on your map. I beg you, please, bring my Romeo back. Is that so? I hope I can get lucky at least, even if it's for a bit. How many do I need for that again? 3, just 3 of them, okay.
Time to fight.
Roger. Engaging the enemy. Ready to support.
We're in perfect sync.
No.
Bring it on. You're fighting
Like
me.
these.
Trust in me, face your
I'm not going the right way. Shoot. Sorry, I completely forgot where I was going for a moment. More mining stuff going on. This things.
New industrial technology is now available.
That's the protocol automation core fitting units. What fitting units? I suppose so. I know what the gearing unit does at least, but what does this do? The zipline tower has been damaged and must be repaired quickly. You need amethyst parts to repair the zipline tower. The parts can be produced using the fitting unit. Use the refining unit and fitting unit to process amethyst ore into amethyst ore. Then use the amethyst parts to repair the zipline tower. Zipline pylon is broken. Use the amethyst parts to repair it. The core EIC area is already filled. Needed to produce amethyst parts. First, I worked with the fitting unit and viewed the amethyst parts production formula. The production formula is locked for this facility. This shows that the production amethyst parts needs amethyst fiber. Amethyst fiber can be processed and can be made by processing amethyst ore at a refining unit. We now need to set amethyst fiber production line and connect it to a fitting unit to produce amethyst parts. Let's give it a go. Using raw amethyst parts require amethyst ore as raw materials. Transport belt and move amethyst ore to the right facility for processing. I want to remove. The refining unit is now producing amethyst fiber. Next, we move the amethyst fibers to the fitting unit to process them into amethyst parts. This is what I'm supposed to do. Let's do that. Let's do it. Actually, now I think about it, should probably adjust my home base a bit so it can work more. I messed this up. This is bad positioning, isn't it? Five of them. tower repaired. Simulation code completed. Yippee! I think I missed. The blueprint for the Amethyst part production line has been acquired. Progress through the main mission to unlock a feature that allows quick seeing about Amethyst part production line. More blueprints. Don't I already have a blueprint for this though, at least? Should I do the simulations on stream or should I do it offline so that you don't get bored?
New industrial technology
Holding.
is now available.
Amethyst bottles, yay! Just may not be the best, but at least I try with the process. that I should get back going. Hey, shoot.
AIC area.
Jesus, take quite a lot of amethyst ore. When I get a chance, I should probably make more amethyst mining depots. Either way, though, it's going so far so well. I like it.
Ah, so you really are the administrator. Thank you so much for helping our crewmates out there. Everyone's ready to get some work done, but we got a small problem.
There is no need for such formalities here. Given the urgency of our situation, just go ahead and tell us what you need.
Mr. Andre insists that we keep ether counters during work. The issue is, these devices have quite a heavy load, and we haven't had time to modify our standard coveralls.
I understand Mr. Andre's concerns. Mr. Vanikov, if modifying your standard crew coveralls is a problem, we can produce new protective suits for your crew.
What? But I don't think we can just build a garment factory right now.
Endfield has a comprehensive plan for precision manufacturing, centered around our protocol automation core. We can get started on it right away.
Gear assembly. Use the AIC to assemble various kinds of gear to improve the operator's combat performance. Click here to switch to non-stick gear assembly. Minor overalls. This shows the size of piece of gear. Assembly this piece requires 2 material valley stock bills and amethyst components. Earn valley stock bills by defeating enemies or perform various regional development and outpost activities. Click here to review amethyst components. Amethyst components are produced by the gearing unit. Specific AIC technologies of the AIC factory plan must be researched to construct and place the gearing unit into core AIC. Acquire gear template to assemble specific gear. Some gear templates can be acquired by gaining authority levels. Others can be found by exploring the world. Gear assembly requires stock bills and gear components. Valley stock bills can be earned by defeating enemies or performing regional development and outpost activities. Gear components can be produced by using the AIC facility gearing unit. Unlock this facility by researching the AIC technologies in the AIC factory plan. The gearing unit must be constructed and placed in the core AIC area. probably figure out which is best for which. Gloves, armor color. Alright, these are really the strongest ones I have.
Did you just call me? Are you looking for my company?
Originium will carve a path for us.
Stay sunny for this.
Shit. Oh, gloves and... just to make sure is the stream still running well, I don't want to have another issue with it. Oh man, do I have to? Or whatever. Hold on a moment, I need to use the restroom real quick. I hope you don't mind. Sorry for interruption, I'll be right back, okay? Alright, I'm back! Sorry, it wasn't really that long, was it, huh? Anyways, let's continue on with the stream. The IC factory has introduced a game. Use the transport belts to complete the production line and set the amethyst component production line. Key components are essential for gear assembly. They're produced by gearing unit. There are already gearing units placed in the core AIC area. Interact with it to check the amethyst component formula. Refinement units here. Units. PAC output parts can remove items. Pretty much this is pretty basic already since the PAC has 6 output sources. Each output source can unload one selected item from the depot. Set amethyst ore as the item to unload from the PAC output port so the second refining units produce Marika crust and amethyst. It's something we already know of, but it's still valuable knowledge nevertheless. Next, use the transport belt to connect the output ports of the refining units to the input ports of the game unit. I suppose this would make it easier to store away things at least. Components or raw materials. We must send another gear to speed things up. Special amethyst component blueprint useful only in simulation. Click here to start placing the blueprint. Oh wait, is this what the blueprints are for? Huh. The amethyst component blueprints has successfully been deployed to hit the right now. Note the item icon shown above the item control part is starting to freely pass on this transport belt. Reference the 2 items port controls and select the proper items to unload the PAC output. Successfully used the blueprint to critically set up an amethyst component production line. After placing a system blueprint, reference the icon indicated on the item control port and interact with the output port to select the item to load onto the transport belt, then get the automated production line to work. I believe that's it for now.
Hey guys, time to head to the PAC and make some gear. I'll show you the ropes.
Maybe I should sort out my should I sort my top units, bottom? Why is it lagging out? Let me. My screen froze. Checked. Jeez. Enfield's taking loves. Wow. Hold on a minute. Let me just... For some reason, Enfield's just taking up a whole lot of RAM all of a sudden. I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to boot up Enfield so it doesn't. Yeah, I'm gonna have to close it out since it was suddenly taking a large chunk of RAM and causing my game to lag out heavily. No, what do you mean? What browser am I using? Browser? It'll be it. Right now I don't have, for now just use,
Arknights.
For now I use Edge, but I don't have Edge running for now. I think it was Endfield that was taken up. Since that was like taking a huge amount of RAM, not checking the task manager, it was the game that was taking a whole bunch of RAM all of a sudden. Don't know why.
Core AIC area.
do this? Should I get rid of some buildings so I can make more room for building? Let's get up. Isn't it? Jeez, that seemed to take out a large chunk of my storage too, like 6 gigabytes. Maybe I should stop playing soon. I still want to work on this at least.
Bring it on! You're fighting me! I'm with
you! Believe it, Endman. Victory will be ours next time as well.
A well-deserved victory.
We made another step forward, Enfielders.
Another material bed. That seems pretty useful. These in my inventory.
is no friendly encounter.
Time to fight.
Roger. Engaging the enemy. Oh, wait! In position.
Ready to strike. Face your end. Incredible move.
This wasn't a hard-won battle.
Good work, everyone.
We fought with both courage and prudence. Excellent work, everyone.
Something ain't right.
Watch your step, people.
I'm with you. Ready, face your end.
Exemplary combat maneuver.
Thanks for the thumbs up.
I should have thought this through more thoroughly. Some bugger slipped in. Electricals escaped to the slide. Must be still inside. Slug it. Nab the bug. Killing. Stop wasting time. We got tons of other jobs.
What?
Bring it on! You're fighting me!
I'm with you. Ready to strike. Face your end.
Outstanding performance!
We're in perfect sync. Incredible move. Time to fight. We'll see this through. Engage!
fought with both courage and prudence. Excellent work, everyone.
Good work, everyone.
We fought with both courage and prudence. Excellent work, everyone.
Please, give me. Money, yay. I should. With that, I should probably take a break from streaming for now. I need to take a break from streaming for a bit, and I'd like to. I hope you don't mind though, but thank you for joining the stream. Of course, I would like to if you don't mind. Just give me a moment to set everything up and we'll be on our way. Thanks for joining the stream, everyone, though. I hope you liked it.